We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Sabary 12V engine timing light with spark plug tester. Consists of the following features. Automotive repair kit. Automotive repair kit includes a 12V timing light and vacuum pressure gauge with accessories for easy engine diagnostics. Portable design features a top hook for hands-free vacuum testing and a clear analog gauge for easy pressure reading, suitable for emergency vehicle troubleshooting and repair. Timing light configuration. The sturdy, ergonomic timing light features a waterproof ABS housing and an ergonomic pistol-shaped handle for comfortable grip and easy operation. The size of cable approximately 4.3 feet or 1.3 meter allows for flexible connection to various engine layouts. Simply clamp the red positive, black negative battery wire and connect the induction spark plug tester to the high voltage spark plug wire. Gasoline engine ignition timing light. This universal 12V gasoline engine ignition timing light works with all gasoline engines, including 2-stroke and 4-stroke types. Ideal for diagnosing spark plug malfunctions, cable faults, weak ignition and timing issues, making it a versatile kit for DIY mechanics and roadside repairs. Vacuum gauge configuration includes a large, easy red dial pressure gauge up to 40 psi, a about 2 feet or 0.61 meter hose and multiple adapters to fit automotive vacuum lines. Multifunction diagnostics help detect fuel pump pressure, emission leaks, valve, exhaust issues, piston wear, and HVAC vacuum system malfunctions. Multifunctional diagnostics. This fuel pressure test kit can detect fuel pump pressure, emission control leaks, stuck or burned valves, muffler blockages, turbocharger and exhaust system problems, piston ring, seal wear, and HVAC vacuum control system malfunctions, making it a valuable kit in your engine troubleshooting kit. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thank you and see you next video.